Okay, here's part 2 of this radio repair. Got all these capacitors here replaced. I'm about to do the electrolytic. So I got this soldered together. These are the new ones. So here's a negative. Here's the two positives. So all I gotta do is tape these up and solder some wires to them, and I'll have it mounted just like kind of like this is here. Okay, I got the appropriately colored wires on. Red is for the 50 microfarad, green is for the 30, black is common. I know some people like to just solder them, solder the electrolytics point to point, like how they're supposed to be in the circuit. But I tend to like to try to do it this way because it's a little bit more easy for me to figure out where they hook up. So we'll go ahead and do that. Gotta take this one out first. Okay, I got that red wire on there, new green wire on there, and black wire right there. Oops, I forgot to solder it. I'll solder that, and then I'm gonna put the tubes back in and try it out. But that looks pretty professional, I think. A lot better than the work that Retrochad was finding in that old chassis that he did. Like some people just somebody just cobbed it together. See, we try to do a professional job. Okay, here we go. We're gonna plug it in. Just check to make sure everything is not nothing shorting out or anything. So I think we're gonna be okay. Okay, we're plugged in. Let's turn it on. Tubes are warming up. Maybe we'll get some sound. I got my hand on the plug just in case. I have to yank it out real quick. So far, so good. Don't get any sound though. Wish I had an isolation transformer or a variac or something. Let's try tuning this. Oh, a little bit of something there. Turn it up all the way. Well, I'm not really picking up anything, but it sounds normal. I mean, static coming out of it, sort of. I think I hear something. Whoa. Might possibly have another bad tube. You got a little something right there. Yeah, I was just barely picking up a station there for a second. Yeah, it looks like something else is going to have to be fixed, and I'm not sure what. Now let's turn it off. Anyway. Okay, it's picking up the street light down the road. That hum is from the street light. Watch, it'll stop in a second. See, it just stopped. That's the street light down the street, and I was just hearing the station too. But something's still obviously not right, because it's not picking up like it should. So. Yep, that's it for now.